The big question on every South African is that if Mkhwanazi is effective at fighting crime, why is his contract still not renewed? Now, is this just a normal administrative delay, or is it political punishment for exposing corruption? And what message does this send to police officers who are willing to fight crime without fear? My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the contract of Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi has not yet been renewed, even though it is set to expire at the end of March 2026. As things stand, there is no official confirmation from national government that he will continue in the position. General Mkhwanazi is known as one of the South Africa's toughest police commanders. He gained national attention for taking on political killings in KZN, targeting crime syndicates, hitmen, and extortion gangs, speaking openly about corruption inside the public service, and many people believe crime in parts of KZN became more controlled, and organized crime more exposed under his leadership. Now, to the public, he became a symbol of police officer who does not fear powerful people. And the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Thami Ntuli, has openly said he supports the renewal of General Mkhwanazi's contract. And also the KZN Provincial Executive has also backed him, saying his leadership has brought stability and strong crime-fighting strategies. Also, the EFF leader, Julius Malema, publicly said that South Africa cannot afford to lose Mkhwanazi, especially while crime remains high. And civil society leaders and community organizations have praised his courage and demanded that he be kept in office. Even some opposition parties and ordinary citizens have joined marches and campaigns calling for #hands off Mkhwanazi. Now, in 2025, Mkhwanazi made explosive allegations of corruption and political interference within the police. He accused the senior political and police figures of protecting criminals and blocking investigations. Now, these claims led to a national inquiry, senior officials being placed on leave, deep political divisions inside government, and supporters say that he was brave for speaking out. However, there were some critics that said he crossed political lines and caused instability. Now, this delay of having his contract renewed is leaving the province without clear police leadership, and it creates uncertainty. Now, criminals watch these situations closely, and power vacuums benefit crime syndicates. Now, many fear that if Mkhwanazi leaves, investigations into political killings may slow down, corrupt networks could regain strength, and honest officers may be discouraged from speaking out. Now, his renewal of the contract is so important as it will determine whether crime fighters are protected or sidelined, whether political interest come before public safety, and whether South Africa is serious about fighting organized crime. Until a clear decision is made, the silence speaks louder than words. What are your thoughts?